In this video, I'll show you how you can find your connection string in Supabase. So it's very simple. All you need to do is open your project, and from here you need to click on this connect button at the top. So click on connect, and as you can see, this is your connection string, which says direct connection. So this is it. And what you need to do now is you need to remove this part of it. So this your password in brackets. So you need to remove also brackets, and here you need to type your password. So I'm gonna copy it like this, and what you need to do is remove this, and now you can type your password. So my password, and that's how you can use it. And if you don't know your password, how you can get it, you need to go to settings, project settings on the left side. From here, choose database under the configuration. And as you can see, database password, here you can reset your password. So click on reset your password. And this is how you can get your password. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.